A for apple, apple means save. B for ball, ball means gain. C for cat, cat means billy. D for dog, dog means kutta. E for elephant, elephant means hathi. F for fish, fish means machli. G for grapes, grapes means angur. H for hen, hen means murgi. I for ice cream means ice cream. J for joker, joker means joker. K for kite, kite means patang. L for loin, loin means sher. M for mango, mango means aam. N for nest, nest means ghosla. O for orange, orange means santara. P for parrot, parrot means tota. Q for queen, queen means rani. R for rose, rose means gulab. S for ship, ship means jahaz. T for tiger, tiger means sher. U for umbrella, umbrella means chhata. V for van, van means gaadi. W for watch, watch means घड़ी. X for Xmas tree means Christmas का पेड़. Y for yak, yak means yak. Z for zebra, zebra means zebra.